story of the pole, and a bunch and it starts with the sun. Every second that I waste is another second similar to a blessing I will take. All my therapists will tell me that I'm going to a stage. Yeah, it's not a fucking stage, I just wanna feel okay. Motherfucker, now you got my attention. It's past every temptations. Lost in my dreams, now I have darkness. Who knew the sky was there? Because I play my